Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to start trading Bitcoin Cash inside your Trust wallet. So with that being said, let's open CoinMarketCap or any price tracking website that you trust. For me, I'm using CoinMarketCap because it is easy to use and beautiful and has so many tokens in it. And of course it's not a scam. It's most of the tokens here are so good. All right, and now we go here and we type the token name that we are willing to start trading with. So for me, I'm going to write Bitcoin Cash or BCH, and now here you come into the contract section and you choose which network you want to start using it with. So for me, I'm gonna choose the BNB Smart Chain. You can copy it by clicking on this icon right here, or copy it from this icon. So for example, we'll copy it from here. We click on copy, and here you go. We are ready to go. Now we open our Trust wallet like that. Of course, first of all, you have to buy some salt. So I'm clicking on buy and going to, for example, Ethereum. Next, and now you have to choose the payments method that you want. For example, the Access Visa card, Mastercard, and even Apple Pay. We go back, and now we go to the next step, which is opening the apps. As you remember, guys, this token will be on BNB network. So we choose the pancake swap, or you can just choose it from here. You can write it right here or choose it from here. For example, we choose it from here, and here you go. Now it's opened. Now how to add the Bitcoin Cash here? You can click on cake, write its name. If you didn't find it, it's not a problem. You can just paste the address that you copied later on and import, understand, and now you can start trading the BCH or Bitcoin Cash in your wallet. And that was the video, guys. If you want some more tutorial, please leave a like and comment and subscribe. And yeah, have a great day. See you guys. Bye bye.